Hi, I'm Vilush. In this video, I'd like to walk you through the deliveries of the Lordicon Essential pack, so you will know exactly what you will get after the purchase. Let's get started. At Lordicon, we believe that future is animated. Thanks to existing tools and years of experience on the animation field, we decided to create a unified set of animated icons, which goal is not only to convey the message more understandably, but also to excite, impress and delight the user with smooth and dynamic motion. Each icon was first sketched and designed on a special grid in Adobe Illustrator, then animated in Adobe After Effects and rendered using Body Moving plugin, which help us to generate a unique JSON with coded animation, so we can play it on the website or apps. You can connect it with SVG animations, however it's not the same. We deliver the entire pack under a small fee that help us create new icons and develop our open source tools like custom elements or WordPress plugin. Before the purchase, you can download a free pack that includes 50 animated icons delivered in the same formats as Premium Pack does. Occasionally, we also issue other freebies, animated interactive artworks that you can download completely for free and use however you'd like to. So, without further ado, let's jump to the process of making a purchase. To purchase the entire set of icons, go to Essential Pack and click Download all icons. It will redirect you to our product on Gumroad Marketplace. This is where you make a purchase. In the description you can read what's included. On the 10th of March 2020 there is 500 animated icons. Actually, this number of icons will increase constantly as long as the project exists. They are all perfectly scalable, which means they are not destructive, so they won't get pixelated at all while scaling up, because they all base on SVG infinite scalable graphics. Our icons are compatible with all major browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox or Safari. Unfortunately, Microsoft Edge or Microsoft Explorer doesn't support our icons, including all Lottie animation files at all, but it still supports GIFs. They are all highly customizable. You can adjust color, size, stroke width and animation player type. Additionally, Adobe After Effects project file is provided, in which you can adjust color, stroke sizes and export animated icons in different formats so you can use them in videos or presentations. And as you can see, GIF and JSON formats included, of course. And the most important, free updates. If you purchase the entire package once, you get all future updates for free, lifetime. What's more, briefly you can find what is covered under each license. Simply speaking, with standard license you can do mostly everything, like include those icons in unlimited number of personal or commercial products or projects for clients. A premium license is required if you'd like to include those icons in your application or website template and sell this template to your clients via your personal website or via any other marketplace available online. You are not permitted to resell our icons in a product which is mainly constructed of those icons. Additionally, in this section we inform you about the stroke adjustment option, possible only inside Adobe After Effects project. However, in May this year, we plan to introduce the possibility to adjust stroke width directly by code, including another feature in a WordPress plugin. So, let's make that first purchase. First, select a license and click on I want this button. Enter your email, discount code, and put your credit or debit card information below. You can also pay with PayPal. You can really feel safe. The entire payment gate is secured by Gumroad, which is a huge online marketplace. As you can see, the purchase went well. Here you can directly download the entire pack or issue an invoice. But now let's jump to our email inbox. After purchase, you will receive 2 emails from us. One is automatic email from Gumroad, in which you can download or package or generate an invoice. The second email, sent from us directly, is the most important. Here's the link to the entire package on Google Drive. We will add new updates directly to this folder, so you will always have it in one place. Additionally, you can start this email, so you can quickly come back in case if you lost the Google Drive folder. You can also add or email to your contacts. This way you won't miss out on new freebies and informative content we share sporadically with entire community. Now let's jump into downloaded folder. Here you can find 3 folders, a welcome GIF and PDF with license. In the first folder you can find JSONs collected. So instead of uploading individual icons one by one, you can select and upload entire JSON pack of all icons from one category. In the folder with the extension JSON plus GIF, you can find entire list of individual icons folders. Let's go inside one. Here you can notice 4 files, 2 GIFs and 2 JSON files, containing outline and solid icons. Basically, each icon is delivered in 2 styles. The purpose of the outline icons is to be used in a bigger dimensions. However, solid icons are supposed to be used in a really small sizes. GIF is just a regular GIF file for a preview. And the JSON is a text-based document with coded animation which you can use in your web or mobile project. Now let's get back to the entire list. As you could notice, there are some icons folders with morph and auto word at the end. This determines the way you should use the icon. We distinguish 3 different groups of icons: morph, auto, and hover. Morph icons represent animated icons that have unique first and last frame of the animation, which make it works great with animation player like Morph, which plays animation after clicking on it. It plays the animation from first frame to the last frame, and after clicking one more time, it reverses from last frame to the first frame. These icons also can work well with Morph on Hover animation player option, which means that the animation is played from the first frame to the last frame, and as long as the cursor is on the artwork, the animation stops at the last frame. Right after the cursor moves from the artwork, the player broadcasts animation in reverse direction, from the last frame to the first frame. When you set the morph icon on a hover animation player, it won't really work well. You will achieve rough transitions after hovering one more time. Second group of icons is auto. It works like a GIF, which means that these icons loop perfectly with a correct speed and dynamics. They work great only with loop animation player. When you set auto icon on a hover or morph animation player, you will get really rough ending, so I don't really recommend connecting auto icons with hover or morph animation players. The last group of icons is the one without auto or morph word, which is the largest animation family called hover. It works great with hover animation player. Once you hover on the icon, the animation is played from the first to the last frame, and after hovering one more time, the action repeats. This led us to use dynamic motion elements which don't work well with morph or auto animation players. Okay, let's get back to the main folder, and in the third folder you can actually find Adobe After Effects project with detailed video tutorial explaining how to set up, change colors, adjust stroke sizes or export animation to JSON Lottie formats. When it comes to color and stroke adjustments, it's pretty simple. Currently we can adjust colors using Adobe After Effects, Lordicon WordPress plugin, Lottie editor and custom element. On 10th of March 2020, the stroke adjustment is possible only via Adobe After Effects project. However, in May this year, we plan to introduce the possibility to adjust stroke width directly by code, including another feature in WordPress plugin. First, let's cover the Adobe After Effects way. After opening software, go to Icon folder, select Color and Stroke Change layer on the timeline, and adjust color or stroke sizes in the Effects Control window. You can check the detailed tutorial on changing colors and stroke sizes in this Adobe After Effects video tutorial. Changing color with Lordicon plugin is also that simple. First, you need to upload an icon to Lordicon WordPress plugin. Then go to the Gutenberg editor, add icon and adjust colors. You can check the detailed tutorial where I explain how to set up, change colors and use this plugin. It's also really simple to edit colors via Lottie editor. Go to lottiefiles.com, then go to Lottie editor, drag and drop animated icon you'd like to adjust. Click on each layer in order to adjust its color, and voila! Now you can download your new animated icon with adjusted colors. You can also find another way on adjusting colors by going to our GitHub custom elements documentation and find out how to change the color by adjusting pure code. Now let's cover possible ways on embedding icons on website or apps. You can do this by using our WordPress plugin, which works with all WordPress editors like Elementor or Divi, and with custom themes too. First thing to do is to upload icon to your WordPress panel. Go to Gutenberg editor, add Lordicon element, embed icon wherever you want, adjust options, copy the short link of this icon and paste it anywhere you'd like to have it. We plan to develop visual editors for both Divi and Elementor builders, however now this plugin is the only way you can add icons to your WordPress project, both created with WordPress visual builders or custom themes. There is also a way to embed icons using Lottie Files web player, which has a fewer animation player options. However, with this player you can embed icons on almost all websites in the web. To do this, go to lottiefiles.com, go to dashboard, upload a JSON icon, copy Lottie animation URL, go to Tools and Web Player. Paste Lottie animation URL and adjust animation player options. I find only the hover option turned on to work the best with hover icons and the loop option with auto icons. Unfortunately, there is no option like morph, so when embedding morph icons, we'll have these rough transitions. Now, let's get back to the home icon and copy the code from the black box. To embed icons to your website, go to your website builder and paste link in the custom HTML area. For example, this is how it works with Shopify. Weebly, Wix, Squarespace, Webflow, as you can see, you just need to add a custom code section, paste copied link, and enjoy your interactive icon come to life. For more advanced developers, we have created custom element language to implement those icons. You can go directly to our GitHub and learn more about the documentation as well as examples of use. There are also other ways on implementing our icons on different platforms. Go to lordicon.com, then integration section and search for the one you are interested in. In case of any questions, go to help section or contact us directly by sending an email to hi@lordicon.com. So now you'll exactly know what you will get after the purchase. Thank you very much for watching, and for all those who stayed to the very end of this video, I'd like to give you something. It's a 10% off on the entire Lordicon Essential pack. The code is over here, so make sure you use it so you have 10% off.